Your database froze 10 minutes ago. Now you check PG_logs and it says 0 waiting. Looks clean. But clean is not the same as innocent. PostgreSQL 19 ships a new view, PG_stat_lock, and it remembers what PG_locks already forgot, 1847 lock waits that already happened. Stay with me, because by the end you will close lock tickets with proof, not guesses. Here is the old trap. PG_locks is a snapshot. It only shows this instant. So when the blocker clears, the evidence clears with it. No totals. No history. The incident ends, the view goes quiet, and you are left guessing what just hit you. PG_stat_lock changes that. One row per lock type, with 3 numbers that matter, waits, wait_time, and stats_reset. And PG_stat_get_lock gives you the same counters as a function. This is not a live snapshot. This is lock history you can query. So here is the one query to run first. Select lock type, waits, and wait_time from PG_stat_lock, or waits as positive, order by wait_time descending, limit 5. That instantly ranks your worst lock pane since the last reset. Top of the list is where you look. Now read it slowly. Waits is how often that lock type made something wait. Wait_time is the total milliseconds lost, the real pain number. And stats_reset tells you how far back these counters go. A huge number means nothing without the clock beside it. Now the meaning. Transaction waits usually point to hot writes, rows fighting over the same update, so check PG_stat_activity. Advisory locks sitting at 0 means your app mutexes are healthy. Same view, 2 very different stories. And here is the mistake that closes tickets too early. PG_locks were not granted returns 0, so someone says all clear and moves on. But 0 blocked right now does not erase 1800 relation waits from an hour ago. Check the snapshot and the counters. Always both. So your runbook is 3 steps. Rank PG_stat_lock by wait_time. Confirm live blockers in PG_locks. Then reset the shared lock stats, but only after you baseline. Test it before you upgrade. And next, we go inside PostgreSQL 19's new auto vacuum and maintenance visibility, the scores and progress views that finally tell you what vacuum is really doing. Subscribe, and I will see you there.